morning, everybody. My name is Ian David. I'm the director of sport of Onkti Secondary School. Actually excited to be at Foundation Nursery and Primary School. Share something fun and creative to you all. I'm happy to be in my alma mater because I was once a student of Foundation Nursery and Primary School. Today's outreach is about science and creativity, showing you how you can use simple materials around us to make useful items such as paper bag. We'll be learning how to use materials such as cardboard to make to model a paper bag. The bags you see in shops and for packaging gifts. The goal is to help you to understand that science is not all about formulas, equations, lab coats. It's also about imaginations, innovations, and practical problem solving. So let us relax and have fun. So let's call on our capacity SUD, Comrade Abayomi, who will take us on the process of making a paper bag.
Good morning, everyone. Once again, I'm Abayomi PTE, SUG President of Ondo Secondary School. We are truly excited to be here at Foundation Nursery and Primary School to share something fun, creative, and educational with you all. And I am here more happy to once again be. So before we start cutting and folding, let's look at our vision statement and our mission statement. As you can see, our vision statement to create individuals that will have a positive impact in every community and country over the world. And the mission statement, strengthening the education system to ensure students go through a team of committed and value-based teachers. As you students in Foundation are receiving quality education, so us we are here to give you quality education. Before we start cutting and folding, let's understand what a simple paper modeling is and why is it important. Paper modeling is the art and science of creating three-dimensional objects using paper or cardboard. It teaches us about measurement, shapes, precision, and creativity, all of which are important in science, mathematics, and engineering. Paper modeling is the art and science of creating three-dimensional objects. As you can see, creating three-dimensional objects. It teaches us about measurement, shapes, precision, creativity. A paper bag, for example, is not just a piece of paper folded. It is a model that involves geometry, understanding rectangles and folds, physics, strength and balance, environmental science, because paper bags are eco-friendly and biodegradable. So by learning how to make one, you are actually applying science in a practical and fun way. Always remember, every great invention begins with a simple idea and curious mind. The materials needed for a simple bag. I hope all of you can see the materials here. Materials used for a paper bag. We have a thick paper, a cardboard, FBB or card, paper gum, ruler or hand rope, a professional paper bag or a utility bag. This is an example of a professional or utility bag. A professional paper bag or utility bag. The beauty of a professional paper bag or utility bag is based on two major factors: the design of the bag, the folding technique, and the finishing. Look at the projections on the television of a sample of a professional or utility bag. As you can see, this is a product of an utility bag from Onkti Secondary School. It is made specially for Simbiat's Adeyeye quiz competition. On by continuing, over to you, Oluwa. Before we go into our practical process, I'll call my fellow colleague, Omiyale Oluwa.
Good morning, student. I can't hear you. Good morning, student. So, thank you, Mr. President. My name is Omiyale Oluwa. I am the chapel court of Uncle T Secondary School. I'll be taking you through the fun hands-on part of today's lesson, how to make your own paper bag. We'll not be talking about utility paper bag, but simple paper bag. So before we begin, I'll tell you the materials you will use. A3 cardboard, glue or gum, but we'll be using a general glue, and a ruler. So, Comrade Abayomi Peace, Comrade Ayani David, we'll be sharing you in two groups, and they'll be taking you on how to make your simple paper bag in just few minutes. So,
okay, thank you very much. Before we start the practical itself, because we are going to share you into groups, then I think probably, is it 4 groups? Probably 4 groups. Then each of the group, the students that you have there in charge, you see how he or she is going to make the paper bag. Now, what we have been saying, this is a sample of the paper bag. If you go to some events, let's say some occasions, they might have you'll have seen a sample of a paper bag. So sometimes they use it for gifts. Sometimes if you go to some shops, they can also give you paper bags and the rest. So why we are really here is that we are going to teach you how to make it, because in the nearest future you might also want to develop going into producing paper bag. Is a soft skill, and with that you'll be able to gain a lot of traction, and even that you can start a business on your own. Are you getting it? So everything that you are being taught, it is very, very simple. Are you getting it? Everything you are being taught, make sure that you understand it properly, and at the end we are also going to ask some questions. Those that answer the question properly, they also get something very, very much special. Is that clear? So make sure that you are very attentive, and if there's something that's in your group they are doing and you don't understand, just signify. They are going to explain it to you. Are we good to go? Are you sure? Are we ready? Are you ready? Okay, thank you very much. So we are going to distribute you now. Let's see how we can quickly do that. Let's all pay attention. Now listen carefully. Anything you want to be good at, you will have to what? Practice. If we teach you effectively now, as we have done, if you don't practice it, you might not know it. Are you getting it? So it is not just about the same way. If they teach you in class, if you get home, if you don't revise what you have been taught, is it going to stay in your memory? No. So you have to what? Continue doing what? Practicing it. And this is a simple paper bag which has been done in front of you. It means that it is done with the aid of simple materials. If you want to do this at home now, you tell your mommy or daddy, I need one cardboard. Once they get one cardboard for you, let me bring that. Yes. Okay. Oh, sorry. There's one here. So once you get one cardboard, you'll be able to get two of these out of one cardboard. And what is this? What is the size of this paper? This is called an A3 size paper. What did I say? A3 size paper. No, not letter A and number 3. A3 size paper. You might have done examinations and the rest, and they will give you this size of paper. This one is called A4 size paper. Okay, so now for A4 size paper, the dimension is 210 millimeter by 297 millimeter. If you can't remember that, you can tell either your daddy or your mommy. You just type on Google size of A4 paper. It will bring out the size for you. For an A3 paper, the size is 420 by 297 millimeter. Are you getting it? Okay. So we have other sizes. We have like A2. A4 is smaller than A3. A4 is smaller than A3. A3 is smaller than A2. A2 is smaller than A1. A0, that is A0, is the highest. Are you getting it? So, for example, for some of you that might want to study environmental courses, for example, architecture, industrial design, and the rest, whereby when you get to school, even your senior class, you might want to do technical drawing. Are you getting it? When you get to SS1, SS2, SS3, you will use a lot of these drawing sheets for constructions and the rest. So it's still something that you are going to use very well. Are you getting it? Okay. So as I've said, you are going to see two of this A3 paper in one cardboard. So with that, you'll be able to. Then the other thing that you need to practice very well is how they fold the paper, because it's the folding technique that allows the paper bag to what? Form. You all saw how they folded the paper, right? So because all of you are going to do this paper bag, then maybe I'll come back on Friday, then I'll come and look at what you have done. Are you getting it? Yes, it is very, very important. Are you getting what I'm saying? Okay, so aside that, take me to one of the examples of the paper bag that we presented, because this is a simple paper bag. It is now different. It's a little bit different from this. Now, what's the difference between this and this? Okay, I think you, yeah?
This one in your hand was printed, while the one on the table is not printed.
Round of applause for him. That is a very, very good observation. For you to be a good scientist or researcher, you must be able to observe things properly. Are you getting it? So now he has said one major difference, which is the cogent difference between this. This is printed and why this is not what? Printed. So now This is a simple paper bag. This is a professional paper bag. Are you guys seeing it? A simple paper bag, of course, the cost is not always very much. The cost of producing this, if you are getting your cardboard, maybe is 200 naira, then your gum and everything, with 400 naira, you what? Produce this, because it is a what? Simple paper bag. So but now, if you are to produce this, we are using 2 A3 sheets, and the type of sheet that we are using for this is an FBB sheet. Are you getting it? So it's much thicker than this. Now, if you are getting 2 of those FBB sheets, I think it's around 150 for each. Now, if you are printing on each of them is 500. Are you getting it? So it means that if you are looking at the cost of producing one of these, it will be going to 1,400. Are you getting it? Which makes it a what? Professional paper bag, because it is made for a purpose. If you take this and you go anywhere, nobody will know that you made this in foundation, abi? Because foundation name is not what on it, except at the end you use your pen or your biro to write what? Foundation. But if you take this, anywhere you go, they will first see the word what? Foundation, nursery and primary school, which makes the design to communicate a what? A purpose. That is, you are a student of what? Foundation, nursery and primary school. So you can see the advantage of a professional paper bag and a what? A simple paper bag. Are you get what I'm saying? So now, let's go back to this. If you take a look at this design, you can see it, Abby. Just hold on, I will twist it. Let me first explain for this side. Now, as we have this now, when we take it to the printer, this design, we do it on CorelDRAW. You can use CorelDRAW, you can use Photoshop. Those are graphic design softwares. Are you getting it? So it's on CorelDRAW that we used to make this design. This is a particular bag. We made it for this Symbiat Adeyeye quiz. How many of you know about the Adeyeye? There's if you are going along Ife Garage, there's one of the Adeyeye that is going for member of House of Rep. How many of you know Nibanola? He's one. Jibayo Adeyeye. Are you getting it? So it was made. We made it for their digital quiz. That's the memorial quiz for the Symbiat Adeyeye. Now, this was the design. You can see that on that design, the very first don't worry. The very first thing that is going to catch your attention is what? Symbiat Adeyeye quiz competition. Are you getting it? Which communicates the purpose of the paper bag. So now, underneath it, we have pictures of previous editions that they have done. So this is the paper bag on an A3 sheet. We have printed it on this A3 sheet. When we now fold it, the folding, that's it. You can see that after we presented it to their students, they are now holding it to snap a what? A group picture. So it means that if you want to produce a professional paper bag, aside the folding technique, you must also learn how to design on what? CorelDRAW, or using any other graphic design software that you can have access to. I know that for you to use graphic design softwares,
Abayomi Priest from Ondo Secondary School. My name is Bright Daniel from Foundation Nursery and Primary School. So what have you learned from today's practical? I learned that creativity is a good thing. It can take you up in life, so you should not ever give up in it. So what are the importance of the practical? Like the importance of the bag, it helps us, it makes it easier for load to be carried, and it can also be for for make talent. What have you gained from being in foundation? I've gained discipline, tolerance, and etc.
My name is Omiyale Lilua. I am the present chapel code of Onkuti School. We are here at Foundation Nursery and Primary School in Basic 6, and I'm here with the head girl.
My name is Matthew Praise.
So what did you learn today?
I learned about paper bag, how to make paper bag.
So what do we use to make the paper bags?
We use gum, ruler, and hand tool.
So what did you learn? What has foundation put into you?
Tolerance, discipline, and love.
Thank you.
Hello, my name is Oyebamiji Fatima, the media director of Onkuti Secondary School, and I'm here.
My name is Olarun Ajitoluwan.
So, are you happy?
Yes.
What do you find interesting in all what we have been doing since?
I learned that making paper bag can serve as a job opportunity in future.
Do you want to go further in making something like that?
Yes.
And what do you see when we brought the paper bag? What does it give you when you saw the paper bag? What comes to your mind when you saw the paper bag?
I felt happy that I can make it in the future.
So, what do you learn?
I learned that it can serve as a job opportunity.